Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreath.
We are seeing lots of blue skies all across southern Oregon and northern California this midday, including near Chiloquin from the Camoya Casino. Lots of sunshine up in the sky. Temperatures that feel very pleasant. We are 1 degree off from being sunny and 75, as Joe Nichols once said. We are sunny and 77 in Lakeview. In fact, we are sunny and 75, I should say, in Medford. We are already in the 80s down into Siskiyou County, and we are 63 degrees there along the coast in Brookings. Air quality is looking pretty good in southern Oregon right now. It's actually looking good in most of Siskiyou County as well. Just continues to be the southwestern corner of Siskiyou County and those areas that are downwind of that Six Rivers lightning complex. Up to 27,000 acres, containment's up to 80%. Certainly some very good news, but the northeastern flank of that fire continues to put smoke into southwestern Siskiyou County. So we'll track that all throughout the day. And also we could have a little bit of smoke within some of the Westside valleys. So here's your hiking planner for today. And this forecast is for the Westside valleys. And just know that Rum Creek fire could produce smoke today in Josephine County. And also it could slide eastward into Jackson County as well. So just keep that in mind as you hit the trails today. But I think the main thing you're going to be concerned about is just how hot it's going to be. We'll see temperatures in the 90s, which is pretty average for this time of the year. So be sure you're bringing plenty of water and plenty of sunscreen as well, as the UV index is going to be very, very hot. All right, here's your forecast today along the coast. Earlier, we took that view from Jerry's Rogue Jets and Gold Beach, and there was lots of sunshine there. And so that's just kind of verification of this forecast today. Lots of sunshine along the coast, very blustery winds. That in part is why we're going to be so sunny and warm today. Those winds not only coming out of the north, but also slightly out of the northeast as well. So that brings a lot of properties of that inland air mass to the coast. And so that is why we are warmer. Just a little bit of a scientific explanation there. And then for Siskiyou County, I think most of us are going to have good air quality today. Again, it's that southwestern corner of Siskiyou County and southern Siskiyou County as well. Dunsmuir, Mount Shasta City, McLeod, all seeing a little bit of that smoke. And then over on the east side, it would be areas in Lake County, northern and central Lake County, downwind of some of those fires that are burning in the Umpqua National Forest. So each forecast region seeing a little bit of patchy haze and smoke, except for the Cascades, right in a dead zone of smoke and haze. So I think we'll have pretty good air quality today and temperatures that'll feel excellent in the 70s and 80s. And in the Rogue Valley, unfortunately, dealing with some of the smoke from the Rum Creek fire, I think it's a pretty safe bet that it gets into Josephine County. But the million-dollar question will be, how far to the east does it get to impact some of Jackson County? But otherwise sunny today and pretty average temperatures. Then overnight, we'll keep it clear inland, very comfortable temperatures in the 50s and 60s. And then the marine layer will continue to be weakened. And so we won't have any widespread fog, maybe just some patchy clouds there along the coast. We'll keep it very dry for the next few days and very hot as well. Temperatures going up into midweek. For the east side, will be in the low 90s. For the west side valleys, pretty close to triple digits. Here's your 7-day forecast along the coast. We will see more of the same weather for the next 7 days, really. Some of those winds coming out of the north and northeast, giving us a little bit more sunshine, keeping us warmer in the low 70s. And then for Siskiyou County, you wish you were in the 70s, especially for Wednesday and Thursday, as temperatures are going to be likely near 100 degrees. And then we have the dry cold front that's going to move through on Friday. And it's a good news, bad news scenario. The good news is that it'll drop our temperatures down by about 10 degrees. But the bad news is that winds will increase. And so we'll see that over on the east side as well. And with those critically dry fuels, that means that fire danger is probably going to go up. We'll see the same thing in the Cascades and Siskiyous, of course. And even though it will be windy, look at those temperatures for Saturday dropping down into the 70s. Even for the Rogue Valley, we're going to be in the 80s for Saturday and Sunday, but we'll be right back in the 90s for Monday.
As far as this week goes so far, we don't have any watches, alerts, warnings, anything in place just yet. No. Do we think that may come?
It could. It depends on how the National Weather Service in Medford looks at this and deciphers it, and it's all going to come down to how dry the air mass is. We know that the winds are going to be windy. That's one ingredient. The second ingredient is just how dry everything is going to be, and so that we still have a couple days to work that out.
Okay. Thank you, Josh.
Of course.